Now let us plot some confusion matrices, just to practice it. We are going to say from sklearn.metrics import confusion underscore matrix. We are going to say here confusion matrix is equal to confusion underscore matrix, and we just need to pass our y-test and our y-model. Let's pass the ones that are here. So I'm going to say y-test, and I'm going to pass y1 underscore model. Now we need to plot it. How do we plot it? We'll plot it using cborn. Did we import cborn? We did import cborn. So here I'm going to say sns.heatmap, and all we need to do is just pass CNF, as well the annotation equaling true, and the cbar equaling false. Okay, we forgot a comma here. We are full of typos right now. Here we go. Now, as you can see here, we are getting the scientific notation. Now, to remove this scientific notation, all we need to say is fmt for formatting is equal to parentheses 2, 3, G. Now, if we run this, we will see that we don't have the scientific notation anymore. Now, as you can see, if we pass 2 here, we will get it back. So let's keep it at 3G. And as you can see, we got 118 times correct answers when the prediction was 0 and the actual value was actually 0. Okay, so we have mistakes here, around 15 mistakes, and we have around 10 mistakes here. Now let's pass the other ones. I'm going to pass y-train here, and I'm going to pass y2 model. You'll see that now the results are a little bit better. Now we are confusing ones with zeros 8 times and zeros with ones 11 times, and the other answers are correct. So as you can see, confusion matrix can give you an indication on where did your model go wrong exactly.